Hang on. You're putting mud on them?
Yeah, I'm gonna mud them.
What's next, babe?
Bourbon.
Yes.
I know you like bourbon, so we're gonna go back to your bourbon. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. All right, 2 ounces of bourbon, and then maraschino cherries. But you gotta muddle them, so you gotta break them down a little bit. But you can put a smidge of the juice in there.
Hang on. You're putting mud on them?
Yeah, I'm gonna mud them. Or muddle them.
What does that mean?
It means you break them down.
Oh, I don't know what the muddle means.
Oh.
Sounds like you're getting in a big truck and going through dirt.
Yeah, we're going mudding.
Wet dirt.
So normally you would have a little tool. You could do it right in the glass, but I don't have that. So I am gonna do it my way and just use a pestle and mortar. Pestle.
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 Say it again.
I'm gonna use a pestle and mortar to do it. And then we're gonna strain it pretty good. Wanna have some ice for this. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. That's all I got. All right, so you're gonna wanna strain this twice so you can, make sure that the cherry doesn't come out. All right, here we go, here we go.
I like the color already.
Ready? Yes. Now, you're gonna top this off with Coke. Yes.
Can you smell it before you add the Coke? Because I just want to know what it smells like before you add the Coke.
Smells like bourbon.
I'm very interested before the Coke. It does smell just like straight bourbon. Okay.
Like bourbon.
Straight bourbon.
Okay. Ready? A little bit of Coke.
Yeah, you got to try it.
A bourbon cherry Coke for you, sir.
Your nose flared a little bit. I don't know how I feel about that. That's her tell. If her nose flares, she didn't like it. Like her oldest daughter. I mean, she likes her oldest daughter. I'm saying they have the same. It smells good. Yeah. It tastes like a Jack and Cherry Coke. It's good. It's good.
I actually like the taste of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good. It's sweeter than a Coke. I don't know if it's the cherry or what.
Well, it's the maraschino cherries because they're, all sugar. So, yeah. I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, it's good stuff. If I drink another one, I'm going to be smashed, so.
Let me make you something else.